สวัสดีค่ะ
Get our lunch. Obviously been raining a lot. And we're getting fresh bamboo. Do you have a bamboo soup? This is Shan Shan. Because younger brother. Thought maybe you think he knows. And this is how you do bamboo soup in Thailand. There you go. It's on our farm. And all done. And that's where the water comes out the other side. And there are all the rice fields. As far as you can see, rice field. And when the rice fields stop, that's where the farm stops. It's been raining a lot. That fills up the rice field. That comes off Ma, which is Mum's sugar cane, and there's the drain. All the high-tech stuff in Thailand. And there's the Jeep. And there's a frog somewhere there, but we can't see. Here's where we've just had lunch. And now we're going home. Oh, only it's freezing in here. Why is it so cold in here?
Aircon. No, not cold.
Freezing.
Nice.
Look, that's a what? Max. Where's he gone now? What's he catching now?
No, nothing. Just go home now.
We're going home. We may as well video as we drive out of the farm. See?
Yeah. Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
And the rice
Oh,
farm. The field.
where's he been? There he is.
Cleaning
Oh,
it.
he's washed his hands.
The fields, rice field out
I've
there.
done all that one. Did all that while we were there. On the way back. I'll just do till we get on the main road. Can I open the window?
Yeah,
Video.
yeah.
And then we'll turn the air. I will do. And then we'll turn the air back on for you. Here you go. It's been raining a lot. Turn the air off. Might be a bit wobbly. What's the saying?
Milton in it.
Say again on.
See Milton?
What's the mountain called on?
Kupan.
Kupan.
Yeah.
Did you say it right?
Kupan.
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 Yeah.
Kupan Mountain. Frogs everywhere. I just tried to catch some for lunch, so couldn't. Yeah, that's the neighbour's rice field.
That's our from, yeah?
And there's your dad's rice. And your dad's baby brother. Son. Brother. Yeah. And now we're driving through the tropical rainforest. Well, see, look. One rice field drained into the other rice field. Kupan Mountain is it, hon? Is that where we are?
Kupan.
Poo, with a H.
Yeah,
Poo. Kupan. I'm Lena. And there's a tropical rain.
Pasak.
What's Basak?
Pasak is for government, yeah?
That's the government. Government's rainforest.
Yeah.
But hasn't someone been a bit naughty down here and cut a bit down and grew a bit of sugar cane?
Yeah. There's proper tree there, yeah?
Yeah.
On the right hand side.
ดีแล้วมันดัดแปลงครับคนเขาเห็นไปเรื่อยมันดัดแปลงเก่งครับพอแก้ไขเห็นบ่อยู่
With
บ่เป็นศาสตร์
But I mean,
there's rubber trees. Again. We'll do that on the way in next time.
rubber trees.
No, they rubber. And the pots are full. I think they're full of rubber.
Yeah.
Unless it's white water.
Raining.
It's PVA at the minute. It's got a bit of water based in it.
You sure did ask, our farm got you lucky, yeah?
Oh no, I didn't. I'll have to. This is video one of many to come probably. Haven't done any yet. Been here nearly a week. And see, there's a government's rainforest now turned into sugarcane. If you get found out, you'll be in trouble. And then it goes back to tropical rainforest. Owned by the government again, on?
Yeah.
Owned by the government. Nobody's driving too fast. Full of snakes, tigers, polar bears. Any polar bears in there? Oh, brown bears. Sorry. This bit of the road's not too bad because it's been gravel. Honey, How far? We're about 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers, is it? Is that about?
5.
5 to 6 kilometers from home. Next bit you don't really want to see, so bye. See you later. Don't want to see me.
Bye.